In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Excel to Trello for an easy integration that will streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. This integration allows you to efficiently manage tasks and data, making it a seamless experience between these two powerful tools. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, you're going to want to open Microsoft Excel. If you don't already have it open, go ahead and launch it now. Once you're in, direct your attention to the ribbon along the top of the window. This is where you'll find all the tools and features Excel has to offer. Look specifically for the tab labeled Add-ins. This tab houses a variety of options to extend Excel's capabilities. Click on Add-ins and you'll be presented with a menu listing various extensions. In the search bar, type in Trello and hit enter. You should see a range of options related to Trello integration. What you're looking for is the add-in called Excel Send to Trello. This particular tool lets you send data directly from Excel to Trello, which is ideal for managing projects and tasks more efficiently. Once you've located Excel Send to Trello, click the Add button next to it. After pressing Add, you may see a prompt or an icon directing you to tap Next to continue with the installation process. Proceed by tapping Next to go forward. This step sets up the add-in in your Excel environment so it can interact with Trello effectively. The next step involves linking your Trello account. You'll notice an option that says Sign into Trello. Click on this as it's crucial for authorizing the connection between Excel and Trello. After selecting Sign into Trello, you'll be asked to log into your Trello account. Enter your user credentials, your email and password to access your Trello account. It's important to have your credentials ready because this step verifies your identity. Once you've logged in, Trello will request permission for Excel to access your account. This is a standard procedure to ensure security and privacy. You should see a button labeled Allow. Go ahead and click this to proceed. By granting these permissions, you're setting up a secure line between Excel and your Trello account, allowing the two to share data. After completing these actions, your Trello account will be integrated instantly with Microsoft Excel. This integration opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for managing your projects, tasks, and data. You can now transfer information seamlessly between both platforms, making your life much easier and your work more organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you in leveraging the full potential of both Microsoft Excel and Trello. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy task managing.